Dwi'n caru Ynys. I'm keen to serve the people of Bro Aberffraw. I love the unique beauty and the heritage that the area, the new ward of Bro Aberffraw has. I'm a local nurse. I'm a mother of two, and dwi 'di dysgu Cymraeg fel ail iaith. I've been active in healthcare politics in the UK over the last 8 years or so. Over that time, I've developed skills which I think that can be put to the use of the local people on Ynys. I'm keen to use those skills now to help people who are elderly, those with learning disabilities, and for our young people to maximise opportunities for them. It's not easy living in a rural environment sometimes. The opportunities need to be made for you. And at this difficult, austere time, I'm keen to use those skills to help others. Thank you.